During data preparation, when we're acquiring data or rebuilding a model, we can enrich the data by creating calculated columns. In this example, we'll create a new column that determines if each sales record includes a discount of more than 20%. We can build the formula using a combination of functions, conditions, and operators. For a list of functions supported for calculated columns, we can press Ctrl+Space to pull up context-specific information, or refer to the online help. For the if function, we need to define three parameters: the condition, the result if the condition is met, and the result if the condition is not met. To build the condition, we can start typing to find dimensions, measures, and other objects. Here, we'll start by dividing the discount measure by the original sales price measure, and then multiplying the result by 100 to render it as a percentage. Next, we need to check whether this value is greater than or equal to 20%. Finally, we want to return a Y for yes or an N for no. When we validate the formula, a preview of the data displays. Once we've applied our changes, the results appear in a new column. Note that any changes to the original values will impact the values in the calculated column. The column type is assigned automatically based on the results. Here, we can review and edit the formula for the calculated column, for example, by changing the results from yeses and nos to ones and zeros, so the column can be changed from a dimension to a measure. We also need to change the column type to match the updated formula. Note that the same feature is available for data wrangling in Stories. Thanks for watching.